Hello everyone, and welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I'm coming on to show you the colors that I chose for the Josephine Poncho. That is the Bag O' Day crochet pattern. I used big twist yarn, as you could see in my thumbnail. So we'll start with the mustard color, which is her fave. She loves mustard, right? I got this big twist yarn. It's a value pound plus. It is 1,093 yards. And it is 17.6 ounces, 1,000 meters, and 500 grams. This is 100% acrylic. This is the color mustard. So you have the specs here on the screen. The recommended hook size, I will tell you in brief, is a 5mm for the knitting needles and for the crochet hook, okay? You will be able to make a continuous project. If you wanted to make a blanket, you could work this. You could work at least 3 of these, right? And then a sweater, you could definitely do a little over 1,000 yards or maybe even 800 depending on the size of the sweater. And then it says 1 for a hat, 1 for a scarf, but you're going to have a lot left over. So I will go into the colors very shortly. We are on the JillieM website, but you can purchase this in the store. This is the Value Pound Plus Worsted Weight Acrylic Yarn by Big Twist. It is $7.99 each. They do have 24 colors available, and the color that you saw is Varsity Green. You can buy more and save, and you also can apply your coupon codes. But I love this Big Twist. I didn't have a problem working with this yarn, but with the Josephine Poncho, her hook size was an I, which is a 5.5mm, and it says an H hook for this one. So we went up 1 hook size. Just wanted to let you know that. I also picked the Big Twist Twinkle yarn. So I'm hoping that you can see that. It has some metallic in there. It is 97% acrylic and it is 3% metallic fiber. This is very, very pretty. It comes in a number of different colors, but I really love the sparkle and shine on this. It is 380 yards. It's 6 ounces, 347 meters, and 170 grams. So you'll need 7 of these to make a blanket, 4 for an adult sweater, 1 for a hat, and 2 for a scarf. But I am using this as an accent color. You will see that very shortly. This color is called Mulberry. They also have a beautiful rich color, rich blue color that I love. And I think I'm going to get it. And I think also a green. So I may put that on the screen very shortly, but this is very, very nice. Let me see if I can change the lighting a little bit so you all can see the shine. Hopefully you can see that sparkle that I see on my end, hopefully. Yes, I turned it down a bit, but let me see if I turn it off. So, didn't make much difference, but you can still see it. I can see the difference with the lighting. Here is the Big Twist Twinkle yarn. That's 380 yards. Worsted weight, you can get it for $4.87 on the JillieM website. There are 13 colors available, and what you just saw is the color teal. This is machine washable, dry flat, do not iron or bleach. So let's go ahead and get into what I've done so far for the Josephine Poncho. Look at this. So I'm going to put it up really, really closely. Excuse the tails, but I will be weaving in these ends. This Josephine Poncho, you will have a lot of ends to weave in, but this is how it's going to look. This is how it's going to sit, and then it's going to grow. I went ahead and I put a stitch marker here, even though you don't have to keep this in. But if I am watching TV or I'm multitasking, I need to know that when I get to this point right here, I have to do something special in that place. And this is the front part of the shawl, and then also there is the back part of the shawl. So I definitely wanted to keep my stitch marker in the front so I wouldn't miss that, because I already messed up once, and then I got maybe about, you know, a little quarter of the way right here and realized that I was off one. So then I had to frog. Nobody wants to frog. And what frog means is, it's an acronym for the beginners. What the frog means is you're gonna rip it. You're gonna rip out all the stitches, and I didn't want to do it, but I had to. All right, because I want this to be perfect. But anywho, this is what I have so far. I hope you all are enjoying it. And look at the stretch on this. Very nice. I have a little bit of problem with the twinkle yarn, and that's because of the metallic that's running through with that 5.5 millimeter. If I was using a 6, I don't think I would have a problem. But the pattern calls for a 5.5 millimeter hook, and I'm sticking with that. So every once in a while, my crochet hook will get caught up in this metallic running through this yarn here for the big twist twinkle. So I did want you to be aware of that. But if you want to mimic what I did and do a big twist value pound color, because you can do this in a solid color, whatever solid color you want. Like Crystal said, you don't have to switch colors. If you want this to be a solid poncho, if you want Josephine to be all one color, if you want it all black, or if you want it all whatever favorite color you're making it for the person or for yourself, you can do that. But I definitely wanted to do some color switching, and I love the colors that she chose, but this was in my stash and I was like, why not put these two together? So this is what I came up with for mine, and I am super excited and eager to work on it some more. I'm going to work on it some more tonight, and then I'm going to share it with you all. And if I don't post this tonight, which is, I think it's Thursday. Is it Thursday? Gotta see what day it is. So it's Thursday. So if I don't post it Thursday night, which I've already posted a video, I may do it tomorrow in the morning or the afternoon. And then you will be able to see this. But look at the stitch work. I love the pattern and what Crystal put together. So you can go and check her out. I will put the Josephine Poncho link in the description box down below so you can check it out. And if you aren't gonna do it, I would recommend that you go ahead and play it from beginning to end. I'm sure Crystal would appreciate that and love you for that. So have a wonderful day, and you all remember to live each day as if it were a last. I'll see you guys next time.